again. I am going to explain the addition of two complex numbers. Okay, with examples. I already explained the algebraically, but I am going to explain by using the elements, that is numbers. Addition of complex numbers. Addition of complex numbers. Okay. Let Z1 is equal to 5 minus 2i. Z1 is equal to 5 minus 2i. Z2 is equal to 7 plus 8i. No problem. What you want, you can take it, that's all. Okay. Find Z1 plus Z2. Find Z1 plus Z2. Find Z1 plus Z2. Okay. Now, answer. Given, once again write, given Z1 is equal to 5 minus 2i, Z2 is equal to 7 plus 8i, Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, what is Z1? 5 minus 2i plus 7 plus 8i. How to add the polynomials? Suppose 2x plus 8x, how much? 10x. Because x is a common factor. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10x, that is 10x. Similarly, minus 2i. Suppose 2x minus 8x is equal to x common factor, right? 2 minus 8. What happens? X into minus 6, that is minus 6x. Similarly, you can treat as this is a unconditional variable. It is not a variable, it is unconditional. Treat it as that is in the addition or subtraction. 5 plus 7 add real parts minus 2i plus 8i. What is this? Minus 2 plus 8? 6i. That is 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 6i. This is the addition of two complex numbers. Write it. Matarpadi. Don't discuss. Lalita, Arvind, don't discuss. Vivekananda, ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಋಷಿ ಮುನಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ದೇವ್ರು. Write it, don't talk. Okay? Now I am giving another example. Okay? Find Z1 and Z2, Z1 plus Z2, find Z1 plus Z2. Z1 is equal to, find Z1 and Z1 is equal to minus 3i, that's all. And Z2 is equal to 7. Yes, this is a complex number. Yes, 7 is also complex number because 7 plus 0i is equal to 7. When the imaginary part is 0. Yes, okay. Here real part is 0. Okay. Given, answer. Given Z1 is equal to minus 3i and Z2 is equal to 7. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, this is minus 3i, direct minus 3i plus 7, that is 7 plus I into minus 3. Actually, write in that is the form of a plus I. We have to write in the form of a plus ib. That is 7 plus 7 I into minus 2. Where a is 7, b is minus 2. Like this, you have to add. Quick. Okay. Jafar, don't talk. I will give the assignment through the PDF to the respect of the okay. WhatsApp पर कಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು PDF ನ మీకు ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ okay. Find Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2. If Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2i, Z2 is equal to 4 plus 7i. No problem, whatever you are trying to. Okay, I will take what is that. Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2i. Z2 is equal to 4 plus 7i. Z1 minus Z2. I have to subtract Z1 by Z2. What is Z1? 3 minus 2i minus what is Z2? 4 plus 7i. 3 minus 2i, open the bracket, minus into plus, minus 4, minus into plus, minus 7i. Operate the real parts, that is 3 minus 4 minus 2i minus 7i. What is this? Minus 1 minus 9i. 2i minus 7i, 7 same side, you can add. 7 plus 2 is 9 minus 9i. That is minus of 1 plus 9i. Okay, that is you can write, no problem. A plus ib, where b is what? Minus 9. A is what? Minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 plus of I into minus 9. Like this you have to write. This is enough, no problem. This is also enough. Minus 1 minus 9, that is also Z1 minus Z2. Okay? Yes. Okay? Right. Find Z1 plus Z1 minus Z2 if Z1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2i and Z2 is equal to ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಂಗೆ 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4i. Find Z1 minus Z2. Okay, Z1 plus Z2 and Z1 minus Z2. Okay, 2. Okay, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ, no problem. Okay. First I have to find the Z1 plus Z2. Okay, Baba, I will find first. Okay. Find Z1 plus Z1, Z1 minus Z2. Z1 plus Z2, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2i, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2i, plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4i. 7 by 4. I will show that one. How to add with rational numbers. See, what is here 2? What is here 2? What is here 4? What is here 4? Or to multiply by 2 by 4. 1 by 2 can be 2 by 4 plus 10 by 4i plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4i. Now 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 10 by 4 plus 7 by 4 I. Result continues. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. 3 by 4. 10 plus 7 is plus 17 by 4 I. This is the answer. This is the, understand? Whatever the operations in this, like these operations, you have to make it the same. For highest denominator, what is there? 4. What is there? 2. Multiply by the numerator 2, divided. That is 2 by 4. Because sort of equal. Okay. Take it LCM is no problem. That is also same. This is also. Write it. Okay. Now Z1 minus Z2. Where is plus? What addition? This becomes minus. This becomes minus. What is 2 minus 1? How much? 1. 2 by. How much? 10 minus. Right? Subtract it. Minus it to plus minus. Minus it to plus minus. 2 by 4 real part. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. The answer is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus 10 by 4 minus 7 by 4. 4 is the LCM. 10 minus 7 is 3. Good. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 I. Okay? This is the method of subtraction. Okay, I am telling you. Okay. Understand? Write it quick. Find Z1 plus Z2 or Z1 minus Z2. Both are Z1 plus Z2 and Z1 minus Z2. Find Z1 minus Z2 if Z1 is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 3i. Okay? And Z2 is equal to root 7 plus 4 root 3i. Root 7 plus 4 root 3i. So to find Z1 plus Z2 and Z1 minus Z2. Z1 plus Z2. Okay. What is Z1? Root 3 plus 2 root 3i plus root 7 plus 4 root 3i. Okay. Now root 3 plus root 7, one number, plus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 into I, because here 2 root 3 into I, 4 root 3 into I, take it as a common factor. Then 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 6 root 3. Here cannot add. Root 3 plus root 7 plus 6 root 3 I. This is the form of A plus IB. Where A plus IB, where A is equal to root 3 plus root 7. That is real part is root 3 plus root 7. B is equal to 6 root 3. This method you have to add. Okay. don't, you cannot add here because root 3 is different from root 7. Because 2 root 3, how many? 4 plus 2 is 6 root 3. Write it. Take it. Be quick. Okay. Similarly for subtraction. Z1 minus Z2. What happens here? That is root 3 plus 2 root 3i minus root 7 minus 4 root 3i. Now real parts. Root 3 minus root 7. This one plus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 into I. 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 into I. Now root 3 minus root 7 plus I into minus 2 root 3, because 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is minus 2 root 3, which is in form of, it is in the form of A plus IB. Don't write all those things because I will show you. What is the value of A? This one. What is the value of B? This one. That is, A is root 3 minus root 7. B is minus 2 root 3. Understand? For any complex number, very more than 2 or more than complex, you can add, subtract as the real number. How to add and subtract in the real number? Same way how to apply it. For this one only. We use this one. Okay. I will show the, I will explain the natural real numbers, that is not in the form of root A or P by Q form. Now I show the rational complex numbers and irrational complex numbers. Ellanu toorisdinu. Okay, add subtract. Practice it and change the numbers. That's all. Don't want any other numbers. Yeah. Practice ಮಾಡಿ, you can practice it. Once practice ಮಾಡಿ, you know the addition, subtraction. Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. Now product of two complex numbers or addition of complex numbers. Understand? Addition of complex number. Sorry, multiplication of complex numbers. So addition already over. Multiplication of complex numbers. Okay? Find Z1 into Z2. If Z1 is equal to minus 2 plus 4i. Z1 is equal to what? Minus 2 plus 4i. Okay, positive. Okay, no problem. Take it as a positive. Why Akbar? You want positive? Okay, no problem. Don't. Okay, Z1 is equal to 2 plus 4i. Z2 is equal to, okay, 5 plus 6i. Okay, 5 plus 6i. Find Z1, Z2 product. Okay. Now, answer. Write it answer. Given Z1 is equal to 2 plus, write it. I am not once again write it. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 4i. Z2 is equal to 5 plus 6i. Okay. Z1 into Z2 is equal to 2 plus 4i into 5 plus 6i. Okay. X plus y into z plus a on this one. That's all. First, you have to multiply 2 into 5 plus 6i plus, what is here? Plus 4i into 5 plus 6i. Okay. Factorize, you have to multiply. Now simply 5 into 2 how much? 2 into 5 plus 2 into 6i. No problem, direct you can write first true or one or two problems I will write like this. Plus 4i into 5 plus 4i into 6i. Okay. What is 2 into 10 plus 6 into 12i plus 4 into 5 is 20i plus 6 into 4 is 24. Remaining one is there. What is I into I? I into I how much? I square. What is I square? Minus 1. What is I square is? I is square root of minus 1. I square is minus. That is 10 plus 12i, 20i means 32i. Add. Minus 24 because I square is minus 1. Okay, Papa, right, I will write. No problem. 10 plus 32i minus into plus minus 24. Now 10 minus 24 is minus 14. Good. Minus 14 plus 32i. Which is in the form of? Which is in the form of? A plus IB. Where A is what? Minus 14. B is what? 32. Understand? Yes? Yes, yes. Okay. Algebra type you have to multiply. Where I square exists, you can write as a minus 1. Okay. 1 second, I will explain. Given Z1 is equal to what? 2 plus 4i. Z2 is equal to what? 5 plus 6i. Z1 into Z2. Write it first. Z1. 2 plus 4i. What is Z2? 5 plus 6i. First multiply by 2 into this factor. 2 into 5 plus 6i plus 4i into 5 plus 6i. Next 2 into 5 plus 2 into 6i. Bracket, open the bracket. 2 into 5i plus 2 into 6i plus 4i into 5. 4i into 5 plus 4i into 6i. 4i into 6i. Now 5 into 2 is 10 plus 6 into 2 is 12i. 4 into 5 is 20i plus 6 into 4 how much? 4 into 6 how much? 24. I into I square. Next 10. 12 plus 20 is 32i plus 24 into I square is minus 1. Now minus 1 into plus is minus 24. 10 plus 32i minus 24. 10 minus 24 is minus 14 plus 32i, which is also a complex number. You can add 2 complex number, 3 complex number, get the complex number result. And similarly, you can subtract, get the complex number. Similarly, we can product it. That means you can multiply 1 or 2 or 3, whatever it may be, a complex numbers. We get the result also a complex number. Okay. Write it. Okay. Multiplication of complex number. Another example. Okay. Find Z1 into Z2 if Z1 is equal to 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7i. 2 by 7i and Z2 is equal to 4 by 5 minus 3 by 7i. Okay, no problem. No. I'll write simply. No problem. No. Imaginary number should be denominator. It may be a difference. Okay, Baba. I will write 3 by 4. Okay. Now, Z1 into Z2 is equal to 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7i into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i. Sorry, it is inside I. Okay. Now, first 3 by 5 into this factor 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i plus 2 by 7 into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i. 2 by 7i. Okay. Now 3 into 4 is 12 by 25. 3 into 3 is minus 3 into 3 is 9 by 20. I plus 2 into 4 is 8i by 35. I into I square. What is I square? Minus 1. Minus into minus is plus 2 into 3 is 6 by 7 into 4 is 28. Understand? This is nothing but 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. That is 12 by 25 plus 3 by 14 plus 8 by 35 minus 9 by 20i. This is the answer. Where a is equal to 12 by 25 plus 3 by 14 and imaginary part b is equal to 8 by 35 minus 9 by 20. No, this is enough. No problem for the higher standard. Don't want to simplify. Okay. Right. Ready. Z1 is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7i. Z2 is 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i. I want to product Z1 into Z2. That is, what is Z1? 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7i into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i. First, you have to multiply by 3 by 5 into this factor. 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i plus 2 by 7i into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4i. Now, in point wise multiply. 3 into 4 is 12, 5 into 5 is 25 minus, because here minus. 3 into 3 is 9, 5 into 4 is 20i plus 2 into 4 is 8i, 7 into 5 is 35 plus into minus I into I square. What is I square? Minus 1 minus of minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 into 3 6, 7 into 4 8. This is 3 2s are 2 14s. That is 12 by 25. Write it. Real parts one side, imaginary part on this side. 12 by 25 plus 3 by 14 plus 8 by 35 minus 9 by 20 into I. This is the form of A plus IB, where A is 12 by 25 plus B and 3 by 14 and B is 8 by 35 minus 9 by 20. This is the multiplication of two complex numbers or the product of two complex. Okay? Write it. In next class I will explain the division of complex numbers. Okay, write it first.